We'll cover GIFT Nifty's cautious pre-market, Wall Street's weak cues, falling oil prices, and key inflation data ahead of the Fed's rate decision. Plus, insights on Suzlon Energy and Tata Power. Stay tuned for crucial market updates. GIFT Nifty is treading water in pre-market trading. Blame it on weak overnight Wall Street cues. This time, red flags were raised by 1. US banking stocks fell hard after Ally Financial said that consumers are under stress. 2. Goldman Sachs CEO too flagged a decline in trading revenue. That said, there are two big positive catalysts. 1. WTI oil prices tumbled towards $65.75 a barrel. 2. FIIs turned out to be big buyers in yesterday's positive session. Investors will be looking to the release of US consumer inflation data on Wednesday, with producer price numbers following on Thursday, to gauge how fast the Federal Reserve is set to bring down interest rates. Fed Funds futures now see a 73% chance of a 25 basis point cut at the Federal Open Market Committee's September meeting, according to the CME FedWatch tool. Bottom line, an up and down session is quite likely. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 20,208 crores, while DIIs sold to the tune of Rs 275 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating consolidation day. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.36 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.54 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.88. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to waver amidst weak global cues. Nifty, CMP to 5041. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,753 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,334 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,900 and 25,150. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 5172. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,369 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,755 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,705 and 1700. Bias for the day is neutral. If there's a big lesson from yesterday's bullish ructions at Dalal Street, then worries about growth and economic slowdown in the US are overblown. The economy is unlikely to fall off the cliff. That said, technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty all-time high at 25,333.65 mark. Now, the two stocks which are on the front pages and catching attention. 1. Suzlon Energy is in limelight as the firm secured a 1,166 megawatts project in Gujarat with NTPC Green Energy Limited. This deal involves installing 370 wind turbines and is a key part of NTPC's goal to add 60 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2032. Suzlon's order book now stands at nearly 5 gigawatts. 2. Tata Power 2 was in limelight in yesterday's trade, up 6.9% on reports that TP Solar Ltd, a subsidiary of Tata Power Renewable Energy Ltd, TPREL, has commenced commercial production at its 2 gigawatt solar cell line in the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. The development is expected to boost domestic manufacturing of cells and modules needed to convert sunlight into electricity.